Hi, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video, we're going to be quickly showing you how to replace your rear windshield wiper on a Volkswagen. So this specifically is for a Mark V Volkswagen, but it does apply to other cars, and it's a super simple task to do. So all you have to do is slide this plastic piece here, which is part of the wiper, forward, and then you'll be able to simply slide it in towards the car and it will be removed. To install your new blade, it's going to be the exact same process, but in reverse. So you'll put the blade onto that little cylinder that's part of this wiper mount, and then slide your plastic piece in, it'll click, and then your wiper has been changed. So guys, that's all it takes to replace a rear wiper on these Volkswagens. It's a super easy job, but without knowing how to do it, it might be a little confusing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe for more like it, and I hope you stick around for the next one. Take care.